Hello, my wonderful sugar plums. My name is Livy, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be opening this Doki Doki crate by Japan Crate, and it is for the month of October 2021. My box got a little beat up on the way here. As you can see, there's like a piece of plastic that says Japan Post. There was actually a paper in there that like talked about MSDS, which if you don't know what MSDS is, it's Material Safety Data Sheets. So it was just explaining something that was in the box and like the risks of opening it, which sounds really scary, but it's not as scary as it sounds. But yeah, so here is the October box and let's get into it. So the theme is Happy Halloween. So in this box there is a trick or treat giveaway. And let's see. I got 2. And I got tricked. Well, I feel like I never win any of these extra things in this box. Okay. Then next we have a chunky Shiba plushie that's wearing a ghost costume. That's super cute. Let's take a look at that. Why is this so zoomed in? Look at this guy. He's so cute. All right, that's adorable. So the next item in the box looks like this, and it looks like a travel mirror set of some kind. It's Kuromi themed, so let's open her up. So this, please ignore my nails. I just got done babysitting a bunch of children and haven't washed my hands thoroughly. This is really interesting because it's a little compact, kinda. And you can keep like hair accessories and stuff like that in here. And then this, oh, I just stuck it in there, okay. This pulls out, hey, it's me, and my iPad. This pulls out and you have a little mirror. And then on the bottom, there's a comb that slips. And then on the bottom, there's a comb that pops out. That's very handy and cute. This is what the MSDS sheet was about. Is this little nail polish, which says it's water-based nail color, and it looks like it's a peel-off kind of formula. So it's a nice purple kind of color. Kind of matches my shiny Ditto. So that's cute. So next we have a little pouch that has some Sumiko Garashi characters in various costumes. There's a little ghost, there's a sunflower, there's all sorts of stuff. And then that's what it looks like on the back. That's very cute. Last thing in the box is, oh, this is cute. It's a Ditto towel. That's very cute. I wish I had a better way to show you the design. I guess that works. And that's it for this. I'm not super happy with this one. I think the things are really cute, and I like that they kind of all color coordinate, but they don't really give me Halloween. Yeah, I don't really think a lot of these are useful. I have a lot of stuffies that I've gotten from these crates before, so I really don't need another stuffed animal. These towels come in like there's always a towel. I always get these towels, so like I don't really need another one. This is nice, but it doesn't really seem very Halloween-ish. And this is nice, but again, it's not very Halloween. And this is definitely cute that they're in costumes, but it just doesn't scream Halloween. I remember one year there was a Halloween crate that had like a whole cat costume in it, basically. And Also, I didn't win anything with the trick or treat giveaway, so I am a little disappointed in this box. It is not my favorite. Maybe other people got other stuff that was more exciting. Like, I do like these items together, but they aren't really something that I would pick. For the value, I don't think it's super awesome, and I don't think the theme was really great. So I'm gonna say that this box was a miss. Which, you know, doesn't happen super often, but unfortunately in this case, I'm gonna say that this one is a miss. And, yeah, I'm a little disappointed. I hope the crates going forward go back to being better. And alright, so that was the October 2021 Doki Doki crate from Japan Crate, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please remember to like, leave a comment below of your favorite Pokemon, and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back next month with another one. I really appreciate all of everybody's support, and I will catch you guys in the next one.